Hey, Yadi. Hey, this is 2017 Navajo 2, Lesson 9, Ceremony Pass-Off. I'm just going to read this to you, and then from there you can listen to it over and over, and then you can do your pass-off. So there's 4 sentences here. Number 1, ne, be, nahaga, nahaga. Ra is sometimes hard to say. Nahaga. The nebin nahaga. Oh, ahayui. Oh, ahayui. Many. As atat. As atat. That kind of goes together. As means different. Atat. They are different. Many different ones. All together now. The nebin nahaga. Oh, ahayui. As atat. So those 3 sections might be the way you want to read it. Go to the next one. And then how and then the second one you might say sa aujourd'hui. Well, yeah, those two can go together. Say that again. Me in the hala. Navajo ceremonies. One sa aujourd'hui. Well, yeah, one is called aujourd'hui. Okay. Next one. The never nahala sa aujourd'hui. Or che. Well, yeah. There's 2 of them here. 2 ceremonies. Sa one is called aujourd'hui. Do Ye-Ibe-Che with you. There's another one called Ye-Ibe-Che. Ye-Ibe-Che. Okay, A. Okay. So Sa-E-Ho. The X makes it so you just go lower, nasalize it more. So that's a nasal sound. So it's the nasal sound. Nasal sound. There you go. Oops. There you go. So Ye-Ibe-Che with you. The never nahala sa one na yeje oye tinklish lightning tinklish kin yihil woko. One goes into the house and you strike down the house. Na yeje that's that ceremony called na yeje is first one done before you do the hojonja. Okay. So that's a question. This the never nahala the kui is on kui sound over here is the so your answer should say never nahala. Oh, hayu is atat. And the next question that never nahala sa hojonja over here. And your answer should be boat because number 2 says that. So boat never nahala sa hojonja over here. Third question. Hat ilsa. Hat ilsa. Hojonja do yebiche over here. What is it that we call hojonja and yebiche? And the answer never nahala. Sa hojonja do yebiche over here. Number 4. At I kin yihil woko. Na yeje at what goes into the home, and you have to do na yeje first. The answer is tinklish kin yihil woko. Na yeje at okay. All right. Thank you. Have fun.